This is the fender geometry from video P71. I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue here in the topology. We're using the Prince Max evaluation shader and it's set on 2.3. I'll tell you the hotkeys as I go if I remember. NUV and sensitivity of 999. Hit spacebar or enter. You can see we've got two combs here. Now what that normally means is that one curvature of CV is too high and one is too low, so we're going to find out what's going on here. Okay, that's going down. Now don't try and do it all in one go. Come here. We don't need to touch anything on this side because as you can see the plot is okay there. So I'm taking this one down, so I'm moving actually in towards the model, and then this one I'm moving away from the model, and as one goes down the other one comes up, so you have to kind of work on them both at the same time. There's not much at this level that's resolved by moving one CV. Okay, I'm doing this in real time. Okay, so we've done that, but we've still got this problem which is going to mess up our highlights. So what can it be? Well, the obvious thing is to go to the G3 CV, which is that one. The reason I'm going for that one is because this looks to me to be quite a nice piece of surface here, and the problem seems to me to be occurring in this region, not down here. So I'm going to change my sensitivity now to 100. As you can see, by moving that I can actually have an effect. Proportional modification and NUV. I'm going to modify from here to the end of the surface, which is there. Talking much. So it's about there. I mean, one could do a bit more fiddling around with it, but I hope that that's kind of taught you something about how to resolve these issues. And you can see similar type of problem going on here and here. So although we've got curvature, well actually we've got tangency there, but let's just bring that into curvature and see what we've got left there. I've got a feeling that that's not going to go. Well, let's pick locator first. We should do that. Info and Shift Z, and we're going to go for NUV, and I'm going to set our sensitivity to my good old favourite 999. Hit enter. Okay, we're ready to start. Come over here. Curvature is what we're looking for, and you see that the comb isn't very big, so come down here and where it says G2 we type in there 10, and that gives us a workable comb. So which side of the boundary do we want to be? I would say mainly on this side, perhaps a touch on that side. Okay, we've got the same situation here. Whilst this is going down, that one is going up. So I'm going to move that and keep an eye on this. That's as far as I can go. Sometimes you can get away with moving this. And also there. And so you've learned something there. You can get curvature by moving the G one CV. So as I suspected, we have curvature. There it is there, and if you want to look at the values, curvature is 0.1 and our gap tolerance is 0.003, getting close to CATIA V5. That is helping a little bit, I think. Yeah, perhaps it is a little bit. Let's go to this one. Okay, and you can't force it, so now we need to come here. So I've improved it a lot, but I would think that probably what we need to do is let's do a pick nothing. I think we have to move this in or out, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick all the CVs involved in the curvature there. Okay, that's as close, I think, as we're going to get. Okay, see, we have very good G3 on this side of the model. We have an issue there, and we have an issue here. I can show you what that's caused by. A bit easier on the eyes. And I'm going to go to, obviously you have to slide these CVs to straighten up that hull. Now I'm going to go to NUV. I'm going to use, there is the problem, so I want to be down this end of the surface, and it kind of starts there and ends there, so this should do it. And we're on 100 mouse sensitivity, and you see as I pull that we're getting our G3 here, there, and I'm going to bring that down to 0. So that is the G3, this is the G4 CV here. Okay, so I've got all the curvature CVs, and you see as I move that, we're getting an effect on this highlight here. Yes, that looks a lot better. Okay, so turn off the CVs and hide the model. And there it is. It's not perfect yet, still needs a bit more work, but I hope that's shown you a little bit more about how to achieve good highlight flow with direct modeling. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.